how to use the Chinese wealth ship for good Feng Shui. Feng Shui is the art of strategic placement of items in your home with the intent of bringing good energy, prosperity, and happiness to your life. There are several Feng Shui schools of thought, but it doesn't matter which school you follow. The only criteria for choosing a good Feng Shui cure is connection to it. How much a specific cure speaks to you and the type of energy you want to bring into your home. One traditional Feng Shui symbol is the sailing ship. About the Chinese wealth ship, a sailing ship is a universal symbol of the abundance brought by the winds and water, and the meaning of a Feng Shui wealth ship is similar. It represents the energy of abundance sailing into port or your life. Placing a Feng Shui wealth ship in your home or office is believed to bring you greater success and fortune and to increase the capacity and profitability of your business. You can use any type of model wooden boat for your Feng Shui wealth ship cure. Traditionally, the wealth ship can be loaded with many popular Feng Shui wealth symbols such as golden ingots, Chinese coins, red envelopes with money, various crystals, and other cures. Placement. There are several ways to decide on the ideal placement of your Feng Shui wealth ship. The best location will be based on your home decor and your taste, as well as following basic some Feng Shui guidelines. Since Feng Shui is all about the art of placement, the location for your wealth ship has relevance. 2. There are 3 potential spots that you should consider: the money area, the wealth star area, or your lucky directions in the house. Determining the location of your home's Feng Shui money area depends on which Feng Shui school you follow. In the classical school, the wealth or money area is considered to be either the southeast corner of your home or office space. In the Western school, the money area is found in the upper left area of your space as you view it on a floor plan. It is also best if you can position your wealth ship so that its front points toward the inner part of the home, not away from it. You want the energy of abundance to be directed into your home and your life and not away from it. Other Feng Shui symbols of wealth, the wealth ship is a very popular traditional Feng Shui money cure because, unlike other wealth cures such as the 3-legged tube or the Chinese coins, a wealth ship looks great in any space and with any decor. Other popular Feng Shui cures to welcome wealth into your homes include adding an aquarium or fountain if you have, or if you can buy. Getting a lucky bamboo plant or a money tree. That one you can buy in any store in your location. Making sure you close the lid to your toilet and shut the doors to your bathrooms. It is believed that water, a symbol of money, drains away from your home via the toilet. So very important that you will check the toilet if ever someone is using it. The proper placement of mirrors for Feng Shui purposes can also strengthen the energy of abundance in your home or office. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Chibi Unique and click the bell to get notified, or leave a healthy comment for more videos. God bless everyone and bye. Thank you.